All right, guys, day 3. We are at the outlets. I'm not sure what the name of these outlets are. I'll put it in the bottom. But we're at the outlet car show. Let me turn it around here. They put on a nice show here as well. All the money goes, I believe, towards breast cancer. So, Dave and Karen, Mikey's sweet car, Dave and Karen's sweet ride, the Dreamsicle, Jeff's nice Camaro, and they're just starting to fill in right now. We still got an hour to go before the show starts, and they're filling in. So, next time we come back here, we'll just walk around and take a look at some cars. Oh, look at that. Alright guys, second car show of the day. We got the Dreamsicle. There's Bobby, Jeff, there's Mike over there, and we're waiting for Dave. So this one is at, hold on, I'll turn. This one's at the Green Turtle in 611. And the cars are starting to roll in now. This place usually gets pretty packed, so you have to fly from one car show to the next to make sure you get a spot. And we obviously did. So we wait, they call numbers for winners. If they don't call your crew, you roll out. So, alrighty, once everybody gets settled up in here, we'll walk around and look at some of these cars.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. I'd like to take a second, ask you to support the channel. The only thing you have to do, and it's completely free, hit this like button, come down here, hit that sub button, click on the little bell and hit all. That way you'll get notifications every time we put up a new video. And like I say, it's free and it really supports the channel. So thanks a lot, and back to the video.
Just cool. That's just cool. That thing's badass. When they're rolling in. Oh shit, here comes Dave now. Just love that shit. Look at that. Hideaway headlights. Got a nice LS3 in it. Pretty. Nice. Pretty Chevelle. Of course, you know I love them big blocks. Nice fat. Of course, you know I love them big blocks.
That's nice. Listen, I like having them there. Security.
Yeah, I know. I love this car. That's his car there. And that's his car too. Nice. Alrighty, there's our Best of Show trophy winner right there. And that's it. This show is done. Another great day in the books in Ocean City.